Hello and welcome to our technical analysis session, the Daily Nifty Insights with MJ. Let's study, explore, and understand the current stock market with the help of performance of Nifty. Today is the 4th June 2020, and we'll be estimating the probable moves, resistance, and support levels along with the new emerging trend in Nifty for the next trading day on 5th June. Today, Nifty saw bearish bias taking cues from the global market and profit booking by DIIs. The market breadth remained neutral with the 26 stocks advancing and 23 stocks declining, one stock remaining unchanged from the stack of Nifty 50. We had expected market to remain in a range bound between 9,881 to 10,238 based upon the data and trading pressure of the participants available from the previous day. We had also expected some profit booking at this level of the market, as the market was already in overbought zone with the stochastics at 91. So today Nifty traded well within the range, as well as we witnessed profit booking in Nifty and Bank Nifty both. You can see the daily chart of Nifty on my screen, and Nifty opened at 10,054 with a small loss of 7 points, but in next 10 minutes it moved up and it touched day's high at 10,124, where the profit booking started, and Nifty made a low of 9,944. But it recovered somehow, and at the end of the session, it closed at 10,029.1 with a net loss of 32.5 points. That's a net loss of 0.32%. Let's see what kind of current scenario is emerging at present, right? And you see the Nifty had been in uptrend, and almost last 6 days it was making higher highs and higher lows. Today it made a higher low and lower low, and we had mentioned in our analysis yesterday that on confirmation we can say that Nifty has made a shooting star. So let's say Nifty had made this shooting star kind of structure on 3rd June, and today it got confirmed. Nifty also opened gap down, so there is a small gap of almost 7 points that also needs to be noticed. So if tomorrow again Nifty makes lower low, a new candle makes a lower low and lower highs, we can say that the uptrend has been now confirmed into a reversal, right? And apart from that, we had also said that now because the Nifty is reaching the upper trend line of the channel in which it was moving, so there is a limited scope on upside, right? Looking at the candlesticks, you see, although the Nifty had already crossed the distribution zone, but Bank Nifty was in a distribution zone, and Bank Nifty also made a similar kind of structure. Today, it made a doji and indecisive doji kind of structure, and it closed a little below 100 days EMA. And now 100 days EMA or 50 days EMA are very crucial levels in midterm scenario of or midterm trend of the stock market. So it's just at the juncture of 100-day EMA, which is at 10,037 point something. This also did one more thing, and it breached 9971. 9971 is a 50% retracement from the high of 12,430. So that also is breached, but of course it did not sustain below that. So today's low is at 9,944. Now, looking from the perspective of price action, if Nifty moves upward, it will face the first level of resistance at 10,054, which is the opening price of today, and the second level of resistance it will face at 10,124, which is a high of today. If high of today is broken, then the next level will be high of yesterday, which is at 10,176. And of course, if that is also broken, that's resistance level 3, then the market may move towards 10,238. On the downside, if you look at Nifty has multiple support levels. The first support level itself is 9971, which is a 50% Fibonacci retracement, right? And below that, today's low 9944. So, the zone between 9944 and 9971 is creating a very nice cushion for Nifty here, a support cushion. And if 9944 is broken, then 9881 could be the next support level. And on breaching that one, 9824 could be the next level of support, right? So that's from the price action. And if we look at the trading range from price action perspective, and at this level, when stochastics is still high, we can see that market may consolidate at this level, as it is looking indecisive as well. So 9,944 to 10,176 could be the price range for Nifty movement from the price action perspective. If we look at RSI, now as I've been mentioning in last 2 days, the volumes have been decreasing, and not only in Nifty, Bank Nifty also. So in order to go up, Nifty needs good volume. And today even the RSI has dropped, or it has become a little sideways, although it is above 60, which is a bullish sign. And on MACD, you can see that it is well above zero line and the strength is building up. So that's in favor of RSI, and MACD both are in favor of bulls. All right. And just to know a little more what kind of data is emerging from option chain, we need to look at that. Now we are looking at the new weekly option chain data, which will be expiring on 11th June. Today was the expiry, and we also saw the volatility as expected. Uh, as the market has closed at 10,029 today, so we'll be looking at 10,050 as our strike, which is somewhere closer to ATM, right? And we will be seeing what is happening around the ATM. On the put side, we'll be searching for the support levels, and on call side, we'll be searching for the resistance levels, and we'll see what kind of open interest build-ups have happened. And while as the total open interest will give you a sense of the total strength of the support or resistance level, the change in the open interest or the fresh open interest built up will give you the intensity of the strength which has come up today. So first of all, it is a fresh option chain series, so you would not see the kind of the overall built up which was there in previous few days. Um, Looking at the first level of strike, that is at 10,000. So we see that 500,000 new contracts have been created at on the put side, and overall it's 8,55,000 contracts at this level. So this will provide a support one level to Nifty. If the market goes a little down, 9,900, we see that 3,61,000 new contracts have been built up there, and overall it's a 6,12,000 contracts. So this will provide you support too. And 9,800 is the level where you see 500,000 contracts, and you can see overall 1 million contracts are existing. So this is the strongest level, and this forms our support level 3, 9,800. And yes, if the market goes further down, you can see at 9,700 there is a 4,700, 4,73 new contracts built up, overall close to 1 million. Further lower, 9,600, also we see a good built up. At 9,500 also there is a very good built up, right? These are the fresh contracts created, right? So that means what? The traders who are bullish are seeing that the market may take support at lower levels. That's where they are still active at lower levels in writing the puts, right? And since the range, again, you can see up to 9,000 also, the fresh 500,000 contracts have been created today. So a huge range, right? So that shows the volatility, right? And on the other side, let's search for the resistance levels at 10,000 level. You can see almost 6 lakh contracts have been created here. So more or less 5 lakhs contract on put side and 6 lakh contracts on uh, call side. And overall built up is more or less the same. So we can consider safely this is going to be our resistance level 1, and a little above than that at 10,100, we see almost 500,000 contracts here and 6.9 lakh contracts overall. So that will work as a resistance too. And the third level, 10,200, is emerging as resistance 3, where you can see almost 6 lakh fresh contracts have been created and overall 1 million contracts are existing there. So you can see it's a more or less mirror image on the put side and the call side at 200 points up and down. So there is another level 10,500 where you can see another huge level of open interest created today. If I look at tomorrow's trading range from option chain analysis, I can fairly say that 10,200 to 9,800 seems to be the trading range, right? And if the uh, levels are broken on upside or downside, you can still see there is a good built up of on the built up is already done, right? And on the other side, you see the calls also, they are not concentrated at one place, right? Up built up is across. So that is also a volatility on other side. So that also needs to be noticed when you are trading. And the option chain, this new option chain has got a PCR of 1 that gives me a neutral bias. Yeah, so that's on option chain front. So you need to be careful because when it is a neutral bias and market is a range bound, you need to be trading with the strategies rather than a one-sided naked positions. All right, and provisional data shows that FIIs had been net buyers today also with a 2,905 crore rupees worth equities in a cash market. But this also includes 2,000 crore rupees of bulk deal which they did in SDFC Life. DIIs were net sellers today as well with 847 crore rupees in a cash market. On the future side, FIIs as well as DIIs both have got long on indices. Uh, and on options, pros and FIIs have become neutral, but they have written more puts. While as if you look at retailers, they are bullish on index. So if we conclude Nifty, we can see that Nifty is still in a overbought zone with the stochastics as 89. So some more correction and consolidation you can expect on account of profit booking at this level. Um, Closer above 176, right? Above this can initiate a bullish movement towards 10,334, and below 9,944 we can see the bears will be active and they will pull down the Nifty towards 9,800. Nifty trading range is emerging as a 9,881 to 10,176 for the next trading session with the volatility. It will be wiser again for traders to take swing positions only on clear breakout from this range. Till the breakout happens, one shall be staying light and avoid taking swing positions. And in intraday, trade with hedging of your positions or trades with options. I trust this analysis will help you to navigate through the market with a favorable and profitable trades. Thank you very much for watching the video. To get more details on technical analysis, you can also read our detailed market reports on our Facebook page. To get the latest information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get latest notification on the videos. To learn about the stocks, derivatives, commodities, futures, trading, investing, technical analysis, and fundamental analysis, you can request videos on the subject of your choice in the comment box. Thank you once again for watching and liking the video. Please share the video with your friends and family members who can also be benefited with the quality knowledge. Good luck, happy trading, and happy investing.